Alright, welcome to another video from DD Aerial Photography. I was invited to a driveway party in the village of Shady Brook to celebrate Mardi Gras. Here we are on the north side of Shady Brook, and you can see it was a great turnout. This is at the beginning of the driveway party, so people are filling in and coming slowly but surely, but they do come. I got some real great shots of the sunset for this evening, and they're at the end of the video. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. It was a great turnout. It was on a corner lot here in Shady Brook on Bar Boulevard and Frank DePietro Drive. People driving by, honking horns, people stopping by. We had a great time. We had great food, great entertainment, great music, and great company. The villagers here in Shady Brook are very friendly and kind. As you can see, Papa Pineapple showed up, and you can always tell when it's Papa Pineapple's because he's always pulling his trailer with his Tesla truck. Always look for the black trailer that says Papa Pineapple's on there, and you know you're going to get great food. Here you can see where Papa Pineapple's is parked, and everybody's waiting in line for great food. Everybody's waiting in line for some really good food. It was a real good turnout. People were friendly, they're courteous, and the line was long, and they were still friendly. They were still having a good time. And Papa Pineapples was dishing out the orders one after another. And there were hamburgers, there was tacos, french fries. Like you said, order after order, they were giving them out. He was taking orders after orders, and it was like non-stop all night. He would take an order, and you would get your food very quickly. You see everybody sitting down eating, and everyone commented how good the food was. Even people decorated their golf carts here for Mardi Gras, and everybody showed up, very festive, had a good time. You can see here the ladies here in Shady Brook are having a great time, listening to some good music, having some good drinks, and some great food. They had a real good dance floor. The driveway was really level, made it great for that. I mean, you can see the turnout, and everybody brought their own chairs and their own place to sit. If you do go to a driveway party, please bring a chair because you'll need a place to sit. There's karaoke, there's people singing, dancing. It's always a good time at this villager's house. You can see they really know how to decorate, and it was one singer after another. And they celebrated Mardi Gras like no other. Yeah, 50-50 drawing, and here it is.
You're picking the number.
Let the dog pick it.
Yeah, put a piece of steak on one.
You got pick the number.
Yeah,
And if you win, it's a fix.
that's a fix. One. Okay. Okay.
Like that's the worst thing inside of us.
Exactly. Make sure you got your tickets out.
It's all protein.
Today I ate from a food truck and wine, and I was like, yeah, I feel pretty gross. Yeah.
Okay, the number is 46568-220.